Alright guys, so today I'm going to be driving the golf cart around. Can't tell, I've been hitting a little bit of mud with it. Down by the creek, there's a little bit of mud, I've just been going through it. It's super dusty too, you can see where the dust has been on here. Anyways, let's drive this thing around. And key on whatever. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm just gonna ask y'all, just put down in the comments whatever you want, but would y'all rather have more riding videos, like riding the golf cart and riding the full alert and stuff like that, or do you want more of like the working on stuff, like where I work on stuff more often, or do y'all want like both kind of? Like we could do both too. I'll obviously will do both, but like just put down in the comments what you want more of, like more videos of me working on stuff or more riding videos and like mud videos and stuff like that, kind of like I used to do more of. But if I want to, I will start doing more of those, because I know those probably are a little bit more interesting. So I probably will start doing a little bit more of those here lately. Yeah, so I'm confident what you'd rather have more of. There's a truck right there. Actually, what happened to it, remember it was kind of cranking up a little bit, but what happened to it was the solenoid went out. So I ordered a new solenoid. I don't know, or I think it's coming in tomorrow maybe, but I guess I'll make a video of me putting it on, do a little how to install it or whatever. But yeah, the solenoid went out, so I had to order a new one. Hey, alright. Yeah, anyways, here's the house or whatever. Just remember, a while back said we were going to build a house out here. There's the house. So, I would drive a little closer, but I'm scared of the nails. I don't want to get a nail in my tire. Yeah, it's bumpy. Alright, let's head over to the truck real quick. Alright, so guess I'll go ahead and say this. If you're wondering what size tires are on the truck, they are 40-inch tires, which is pretty big. 40-inch tires, which about a little bit over my waist. But yeah, it won't do anything anymore. It's or the blinkers and everything. Yeah, I figured out the blinkers work, but it won't crank up when you try to start it. It don't do anything. So that sucks. But yeah, like I said, getting a new solenoid, and then we're gonna see what it can do. Alright, anyways, guys, just put down in the comments if you would rather have riding videos or working on stuff videos, or if you want like both. So thanks for watching. This was a little short, boring video, but that's it for this video.